See all that brake dust in there? See dirt like that? All that has to right here. You know what I'm saying? All the smudge mark. You just want back with another detail, man. Welcome to Earl's Detailing. Alright, so today, my bad. So today we got an Audi. I don't want to show y'all that license plate. We got an Audi RS7. The bad boy is nice and clean, but it needs to be detailed. Rims are bad on it. You can just tell it. You know, it's winter time, man, so it's going through a lot. But as you see the vehicle, the Audi, bad boy is nasty. The junk is fire though, no cap. But you can just see how bad the rims are. Hold on, let me let the sun hit it. You know what I'm saying? See all that brake dust in there? So we gonna get them bad boys looking too clean, too good. Gonna have that bad boy shining. I like the color of it though, it's popping. But when we clean it up, boy, it's gonna be stupid popping. Alright, as you can see, you see dirt like that. All that has to come off the vehicle. You know, that's just the wheels kicking up dirt on the vehicle. So we're gonna clean all that up. And as you can see, I gotta get in here closer, but you can see all this black stuff just on the vehicle too as well. And that's a no-go. You know, you want your vehicle to look good. So with most of these vehicles, people, you know, would just think they automatically clean, but as a detailer, we got a different key, different eye. We can kind of see where the dirt is and the build-up. Again, I mean, you got, I gotta step out the way so the sunlight can get in. But yeah, as you can see, you got stuff like that, you know, just all on the vehicle. That little mark right there too as well. You know, you gotta definitely clean that junk. All right, so the interior in here is definitely nice, man. I'm not gonna lie. There's not really too much going on in here, just kind of dusty, as I can see, just like some smudge marks. But that's really about it with this interior. That's why I like doing high-end clientele cars, just because they're not gonna be super dirty. You know, it's kind of a quick clean. And like he said, this car stays in the garage. He really doesn't bring it out a lot, but when he does bring it out or he uses it, he definitely wants it to be clean. So his other Jeep is, like he says, a beater, so he just drives that around on a daily. But this, you know, he takes out on special occasions. And I'm about to show you around now. You can see this Audi is nasty. You got the screen right there. You got both of these screens right here. You know what I'm saying? You got both of these. I thought this one over here was a screen for a little minute, but yeah, as you can see, the only thing I see is a problem is basically this right here. You know what I'm saying? All the smudge mark. You just want that to be smooth. And as a detailer, how you clean something like that, you just use glass cleaner, bro. You don't have to use no type of super, you know, interior cleaner or anything like that. You can definitely use glass cleaner. But you can just tell also with the floor that it's not really that dirty, man. It just needs a good vacuum and a wipe down. And that's really about it. And as you can see right here, it's kind of just a little dusty. Nothing too much. You don't really have to use cleaner for real. Just kind of wipe and take the dust off, and then go into the back seat. As you can see, still like just a little dust, nothing too much, but you can tell like no one's really back here. Even this seat right here, no one's really back here. You know, you got little crumbs and dirt right there. Just got a vacuum, so it's like not too many people are even in here for real. So that's the beauty of detailing cars like this. SPV, I don't even know what that is. Oh. The boys pulled out because Biden made that law where they can't trade it no more. So now all them boys going into crypto. $1.5 trillion. The whole Congress market. I feel like that's about enough money for all them, like all the politicians. Yeah, I don't know either. That is a lot of goddamn money. can see. There's a little stuff in the back. Now for the front. Sorry if it's a little blurry. See how clean them rims are? Now we're doing this F250 behind me at a different location. We're out here in Decatur. So a little muddy truck. We're just knocking it out, putting things on it. I got actually wipe these wheels down and get everything situated that way. All right, so now we're about to start wiping down this interior for them. Got some blood in some places. Can't use this rag no more. I'm wiping the door down with it. But yeah, man, y'all like, comment, subscribe to the channel. We're out here really getting in, detailing the Atlanta. Giving y'all boys more exclusive content, gals too well. Like I said, man, before, if you even know anything about videos or you want me to do a video on certain topics, hit me, let me know. Let me know. I'm about to use this wet rag like these windows down with this dog is licking on. And right here. I'm so sore from that workout every day. I'm gonna try. It's extra warm out here too. And I'm not this bad boy with. You can coat the jacket on. I gotta wear this jacket because I'm carrying all the pieces of the DJI on me. So I can park that bad boy outside the floor. No, I should stay and just to see if that shit was legit. Can't even pull this out. I can't pull this out. Boy, got that Glock in there. So much pit hair work, yeah. Blood stains everywhere. Alright, so for stuff like this too as well, you gotta clean these up too.
All right, you get the gist. To the other side I go. Locked in.
All right, so we all done here, as you see. Truck looking good, boy. Nice, shiny. All right, let's check out the interior. You get the gist.
So, appreciate y'all for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We had 2 details today, the Audi and this F250. Not gonna tell you the price because y'all boys be pocket watching. Just know, stay locked in, stay consistent, keep grinding, keep going. Peace.